Looking to get your nail fixed? Quarantine 2020? Look no further. Quarantine 2020 ain't got nothing on these nails, baby. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to get salon design right from your home.
My heart's in the sky, supernova.
Hello everyone, my name is Vana SUPERNOVA and welcome to my channel where we discuss everything wellness, productivity, and lifestyle. Today we are discussing the elephant in the room. Yes, honey, these nails. Quarantine life has set in, everyone's getting a little stir crazy, and what we used to consider the simple things in life have now become mundane chores. Well, doing your nails doesn't have to be considered as such. What if I told you that you could get salon designs from home using an easy-to-use kit? Yes, it is possible with Kiss. This video is not sponsored. I paid for this with my own coin, and I did so because I love it. I've used their home salon kits before on this channel, and I'll link that video in the description below, but this is different from the one before. This one is actually nails and glue versus the other one on this channel is the press-on. So if you're interested, please stay tuned and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss a thing. Let's get into it. So first things first, let me show you the package content. So what the package includes are 30 nails, including 12 accent nails. It has the pink gel glue, which is about 2 grams, 0.07 ounces. It comes with a manicure stick and a mini file. So I'm gonna just go through the prep work with you as I do it. I like to kind of separate all my items so I could kind of see them, like take them out of the packaging. The kit does have instructions on the back, which I will go over them with you so you can kind of get a real life how-to. And I just set the box on the side because we really don't need that. This is the display from the original box. And these are the 30 nails you get and everything's here, okay? So to prep your nails, you'll need to clean your nails with polish remover, and you're also going to need to wash your hands thoroughly with soap. So I've already done that. Moving on to the next step, we're going to be selecting the size and picking which nails we're going to be using. The nails are sized by number, so we're going to kind of know which finger or which nail goes to which finger so that we can mirror it on the other side. So I don't know if you could see, but the numbers are at the top right here. Okay, so my hands are clean. I've picked out my nail size by number, and I've made notes of which numbers I pick so that next time I won't have to go through this. I can just automatically go through and pick the numbers I need to pick. Good thing about this pack is that it comes with multiple sets. So I have enough for an additional set. My numbers may be off by 1, but they'll still fit, and I'll be able to come up with a different design. This is the design I've came up with for this install. I decided to go with the forest green. I picked one with forest green and gold, and the pinky one is the gold in like a marbly green color. It's like black or really dark green or black marble, and then the accent is pink. So that's what I've decided to go with for this install. So now I'm ready for the glue application, and for this I made sure to put something underneath my surface because I don't want to damage my surface. And so with the glue, you have to apply the glue on the back of the artificial nail as well as apply the glue onto your natural nail. Now I don't go heavy-handed, but a pro tip is to apply enough glue to avoid air pockets and secure adhesion for long-lasting wear. So I don't know how you want to go about this. You might want to test it with the first one and see how it goes, just so you can know how much is enough. So this is essentially how it's going to be fitting on me. And so I don't know, you can never test it enough times. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the gluing process. When gluing, you want to align the nail with the cuticle, like when you push it down, align it with your cuticle and gently press and hold for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, you can move on to the next one. And the beauty of this glue is that, you know, usually with glue, you use it once and it stops up. This is actually good for multiple uses. So let's go ahead and get this glue process started, and I'll show you how quick this all is. Okay, so I don't know if you could see where the splatters are from the glue. It's very minimal, but I still wanted to have something down just in case, you know, I got it messed up. But we are all done. Oh my gosh, I love them. I love them. I love them so very much. I think they look really nice. I tried to do the matte ones first so that I wouldn't get the glue on them, because sometimes when you're holding it down, the glue could seep on the sides and the bottom and it could cause some transfer. But I feel very confident in these nails. They look very beautiful, absolutely stunning. I love them so much. And the style I chose is like a stiletto style. So, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So we're not done just yet. So now we have to trim and file. At the top of the nail, I don't know if you could see it, but there's like a tiny little notch, I guess from when they were manufacturing. It's not exactly like pointy. So you can use the little file and get them pointy. I'm scared to do them on the graphic ones because I don't want to mess it up, and those are good. These are good for the most part. On some of the fingers, you kind of got to go over it and get rid of the little cut mark from when they were manufacturing. And you know when you first put it on, it's not absolutely dry just yet. So this is what we're looking like, ladies. Quarantine who, boo? Quarantine where, honey? We are all good. All quarantine 2020. You ladies, if I could do it, you most definitely can do it. I absolutely love these nails. So now that we are complete with the nail install, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you what I do to maintain. So this pack, I don't throw it away. Like I said, there's enough for another install. So what I usually like to do when I'm out and about is keep the pack on me in case I break a nail. I could just whip out the glue, but being that there is no outside right now, I'm gonna pack it away and just leave it in my office for the next install. So yeah, for the press-ons, for sure, I always keep them things in my purse because, you know, they pop off and sometimes you don't know where they flew. So you have to replace them really quick with something else. And it's so quick and easy. This whole install couldn't have lasted like more than 3 to 5 minutes. So, and you know, it fits right back into the package, just like when you bought it. And it's just waiting for you for another day, pretty much. So let's go through some pros and cons. What I like about the kit, it's absolutely beautiful. They have different styles. As you can see, I'm rocking the stiletto tips and I love them. They're very pretty. It's like a mixture of stiletto and almond. It's like a combo shape. It's like a stiletto tip, but it's like almond shaped down here. But yeah, so I love the shape. The shape is absolutely stunning. I love the design. The design is absolutely stunning. It does live by its word. You know, this is salon design at home. It's not salon quality because it's thinner than what you would find in the salon, but it's salon design at home. It's quick, it's easy to use. Anybody could pretty much do it. Now what I do not like about the kit, it doesn't last as long as salon nails, but it's okay because like I said, you have extra here. And I mean, another pro is that you do have extra so you can do it again. Another con is that it's not custom, so I didn't pick this design per se. You know, it's pre-packaged. There's no way to really customize it like you would in a salon. My last con is the nail health concern. So being that this is glued directly on my nail, I do kind of worry about my nail bed being able to breathe when using this glue one. It's absolutely stunning. It's so pretty, but I probably wouldn't use it each and every single time. So if you are needing a quick fix in between salon visits, this is a great option. Or if you plan on DIYing long term, Kiss is still a great option. I would just use the press-on. I think that the press-on long-term use is a better option just because the nail health, the press-on has claims that, you know, they don't damage your nail. And when I used it, it didn't damage my nail. So, I mean, we'll see with this. When I used these before, because I've used the glue before, it didn't damage my nail, but I don't know what it's like with repeated use. This is just the second time that I'm using it. So we shall see. So question of the day, how is your DIY self-care from home going? Let me know by leaving a comment down below. Let's talk. If you enjoyed this video and enjoy DIY, nail, beauty, lifestyle type videos just like this one, let me know by giving this video a huge thumbs up so I know to make more like it, and consider subscribing so you won't miss a thing. I will see you in the next video. Bye.